Recently, I released the post about 4 reasons to use KDP Print over CreateSpace Publishing, but how do you move your CreateSpace paperback to Kindle Direct Publishing Print anyway? Today, we'll learn how to transfer your CreateSpace books to KDP Print. Stay tuned. Welcome to Self-Publishing with Dale, and if you want to learn how to publish your message, build your brand, and fulfill your ambition, then subscribe to this channel and turn on the notifications to get all of the latest releases. Now that you caught my post on 4 reasons to use KDP Print over CreateSpace Publishing, you may still have reservations on moving your paperback books, and this could be largely based on how difficult you perceive the process. If that's the case, I want to assure you how dead simple it is. Let's take a look. 1. Set up a new paperback on your KDP bookshelf. 2. On the paperback details page, fill out all the same details as your CreateSpace paperback book. 3. Select Yes when asked whether this book was previously published on CreateSpace. Keep in mind, once you migrate your book from CreateSpace, all the metadata will be gone permanently from your CreateSpace account. 4. Click Save and Continue and you'll move to the paperback content page. 5. Under the ISBN header, enter the same 13-digit ISBN used to publish your book on CreateSpace. 6. Click Continue to sign in to your CreateSpace account to validate you own the title. 7. Once redirected to KDP, your book's files and details should update automatically. Scroll through to see your files and metadata transferred properly. Launch the previewer and review your book before publishing. Sadly, you can't skip this step, and in the event your images or layout have errors, KDP Print requires you fix these issues before progressing forward. CreateSpace is more lenient on interior issues, whereas KDP Print doesn't allow much room for mistakes. 8. Scroll to the bottom of the paperback content page and click Save and Continue. 9. In the Paperback Rights and Pricing tab, enter your preferred pricing. KDP recommends you enter the same price you used on CreateSpace. 10. Now submit your book for publishing and wait for the notification from KDP that your book is live in the Amazon bookstore. I'd highly recommend you order a proof copy or wholesale copy once it goes live to make sure it still measures up to your original CreateSpace version. Bear in mind, proof copies have a watermark on the cover while wholesale copies are exactly like you'd see in the store. I prefer to order wholesale, that way I can gift out the book or sell it as an autographed copy through my email list or site. One last thing to note is KDP Print is still in beta, so you may run into some issues along the way. Drop me a comment should you run into a problem so I can report it on this channel. But remember, if you have a deeper question, it's best you reach directly out to KDP through your dashboard. I can only problem solve, whereas KDP can give you the answers you're looking for. Till later, if you enjoyed today's content, then make sure to check out my other posts about KDP Print and CreateSpace too. This has been Self-Publishing with Dale, and I'll catch you soon.